Hello everyone, welcome to HTVRONT's channel. Today we're going to compare the dark and light printable vinyl and show the results to you. I printed 2 photos and 2 mermaid patterns for cutting. Let's look at the dark and light printable vinyl. There is almost no difference between their colors. Okay, let's start cutting. The cutting is done. But when I tear the 2 products apart, you can see the difference inside. The patterns were revealed on the light one, but they were not on the dark. Now we start weeding. There is a little accident. I mirror designed the first picture, resulting in the pattern being flipped. We use the white clothes at first. First, heat press the t-shirt for 5 seconds at 160 degrees Celsius. Place the light printable vinyl on the white clothes. Covered with the parchment paper, heat press the t-shirt for 15 seconds at 160 degrees Celsius. Then peel it off. We can see the photos are perfectly printed on the clothes. Heat press the t-shirt for 5 seconds at 160 degrees Celsius. Next, it's mermaid patterns time. Better to paste it on the clothes for a while. We can use HTVRONT transfer paper to transfer the patterns we have cut, to prevent oversticking with its medium stickiness. Now use the transfer tape to transfer the patterns and use the scraper to fit it. Take off the pattern, put it on the white clothes, and cover it with parchment paper. Heat press it for 15 seconds at 160 degrees Celsius. Remove parchment paper and transfer tape. You can see it is brightly colored. Next is the black clothes with light printable vinyl. Heat press it for 15 seconds at 160 degrees Celsius. Remove parchment paper and transfer tape. We can see it has darkened. Now, let's compare the results. We can see that the of dark printable vinyl on the light clothes is not affected, but it of light printable vinyl on the black clothes is not bright enough. We can conclude that the dark printable vinyl can be used on both dark and light clothes, but the light one can only be used on light clothes. It is enough for you to DIY light clothes with light color printable vinyl, and it costs less. However, if you need many colors, then the dark one would be more suitable. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you for the next video. Bye.